Hello children, good morning all of you. Warm welcome to our online class organized by Bruhad Mumbai Mahanagar Palika. Today I will sing a song for you that you have to listen and repeat after me. First I will sing the song and then you have to repeat, okay? So first I will start. I am myself is Alkamis. Hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one. The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one. The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock. Okay, now you will repeat after me. Are you ready for that?
Yes. Yes. Yes,
Yes.
teacher.
So, very good. I will sing and then you will repeat. Okay.
Okay.
Hickory dickory dock.
Dickory dock.
The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one. The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock.
Dickory dock.
Tick tock, tick tock.
Tick tock. Tick tock.
Very good, very nice. Now you have to do action also, Do the action. Okay, and now we will sing fast, little fast we will sing, okay? We will increase our speed. Are you ready, Naman? Give me thumbs up.
Yes, miss.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Yes, now you start.
Hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran the clock. The mouse is one. The clock struck one. The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock. Tick tock.
Excellent. Very nice. Okay. Like this way, we can also sing that hickory dickory dock, the cat ran up the clock struck one, the cat ran down, hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Now you sing.
Hickory dickory dock. Then cats ran the clock. The clock struck one. The cat slung down. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock. Tick tock. Tick tock.
Very good, Naman. Very good, Sanskriti. Excellent, bacha. Very nice. So we have sing the song, and now we have sang the song, and now we will go ahead to our today's topic. Okay, that is today our subject is maths, and in maths there is a I will teach you some interesting. Okay, so before going to that, I will ask you one riddle. Okay, do you know riddle?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So I will give you some clues and you have to identify what that thing is. Okay. So here is the riddle that the thing has face and three hands but no legs. Okay. The thing has face and three hands but no legs. Okay. And it works. Yes.
Clock.
Very nice, very good. And it works for 24 hours. Okay, so very good, very nice. Good children you are. Yes, so today we will learn about clock. So let's learn clock. Okay, so I will show you some clocks I'm having. Okay, just observe it and then I will ask you some questions. Okay, what is the shape of the clock?
Triangle.
Triangle. Shape of, yes, square. And how
Square.
many numbers are there? How many numbers?
12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yes, very good. 12 numbers are there. And how many hands are there in the clock?
3. 3.
3. Okay. Do you know what we call? Which hand is this? What is the name of this? Yes. Okay. So you know, basic you know about the clock. Very good. Okay. There are different shapes clock we are having. So this is the one, another exam. Which shape is this?
Oval shape. Oval.
Oval shape. Oval as well as,
Oval shape.
yes, rectangle also. See, rectangle and oval. Mixing of rectangle and oval. Okay. But can you see numbers are there in this clock?
No.
Then what is this? Which number are this?
9.
Yes, yes. This is the Roman numbers. Okay. So this is the another example of the clock.
See my circle shape.
Yes, yes. Okay. And in our mobile phone, there is also a digital clock. Okay. So you can see here above, here also time you can see. So this type of clock we can say digital clock, right? So there are many types of clocks, okay, that we use in our house, bank, hotels, schools, offices, okay. And what is the use of this clock? Why we use this clock? Can anyone tell me? Use of the clock?
Uh,
Tell.
Time.
Yes, very good. It shows the time.
Time.
Okay. Yes. So you can see this clock I'm wearing in my hand. This is clock. This is clock.
Yes.
Yes. But we call this as watch. Okay. The clock that we are wearing in our hand to see the time, that is called watch. Okay. So this is the watch. Okay. This is also the watch. And this is the clock. The difference between clock and watch is this we can wear in our hand. Okay. Like when you go to school, you can wear it on your hand. Okay. In which hand you can wear this?
Right hand. Left hand.
Left hand. Okay. Yes. So you know many things about clock. Huh? I'm impressed. Well done, my children. So today I'm teaching you how to read the clock. Okay. Today I'll teach you how to read the clock. For that, some basic rules are there that you have to follow, that I will show you. Okay, I am presenting my screen and you have to see, observe that carefully. Okay, so just wait for few seconds. I'm presenting. Okay, so let's learn clock, subject maths, standard 1, and your expert teacher is Alka Suthar. Okay, so on your screen, you can see the clock. The clock is having a different shape and this clock is in a circle shape. You can see the circle shape. Yes. Okay. And there are 12 numbers. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. And the hand, small hand we can see here, that is called the R hand. Okay. R. You have to focus on this hand where it is pointing. You have to focus that. and with the help of this hand, you can say the time. And the second important hand is the long hand. We can say it as a minute hand. Okay, this is minute hand, and this one is hour hand. And this thin hand, thin and long hand, it is called second hand. Okay, so basically there are three main um, hands we can see here in this clock, and we can see the numbers also. Okay, in 1 hour, you know how many minutes are there? In
2 minutes.
1 hour, yes,
2 minutes.
no, in 1 hour, how many minutes? Wait, I'm showing you. Okay, so for that, we have to look here on the number 1. Okay, when it is minute hand is on 1 number, it is 5 minutes. Then on 2, it is 10 minutes. You have to say the table of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, okay, 50, 55, and finally comes 60, 60. Okay, so 1 hour means 60 minutes. Yes, 1 hour means how many minutes?
60 minutes.
60 minutes. You have to say the table of 5. Okay, if you want to count the minutes now, you have to say the table of 5. Got it? Yes.
Yes.
Now we will see the types of hands. As I told you, the first hand is shorthand. We can call shorthand as well as our hand. Okay, you have to say our hand. Repeat after me. Our hand. Then second is long hand, that is minute hand.
Minute hand.
And the third one is second hand.
Second hand.
Yes, okay, so these are the 3 types of hands. Now, look at this clock and tell me what's the time. Okay, first I will teach you, and then afterwards you give me the answer. Okay, so first you have to focus on this hand. This is the orange color hand is. Do you know which hand is this?
Yes.
Short hand. Very nice. Short hand. And this black hand is minute hand. Yes, long hand. So you have to focus on this orange one. Okay. And this black one. Okay. So 1 o'clock. Okay. When the R hand is pointing towards 1, this R hand is pointing towards 1. So the time is 1 o'clock. Okay, what you have to say? 1 o'clock. Okay, so this is the clock. So we will write CLOCK clock, and you have to write O as well as. Okay, so it is 1 o'clock. Yes. So, but you have to see that where is the minute hand also. So it will always on this 12. Yes, it is always on this 12. So no need to see other things. You have to focus on these 2 hands. Okay, now see the next. See the next.
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. Yes, because this orange one, okay, it is pointing towards 2. This is the R hand, okay, and it is pointing towards 2. And minute hand is on 2. So at that time, we will say the time is 2 o'clock. Got it? Now it's your turn. Yes, now no need to tell you, na? Yes, now you are smart. Very good. So here it is pointing towards the 3. So you have to main focus on this one. Okay, if you will focus on this hand, short hand, you will definitely get the answer. So it is 3 o'clock. Yes. So how you will spell the o'clock? O-C-L-O-C-K. Repeat after me.
O-C-K.
Very good. Yes.
4 o'clock.
Yes. Very nice. It is 4 o'clock. So tell me, where is the minute hand? Where is the minute hand?
O-C-K. 12.
12. And where is the hour hand?
4.
Yes. Pointing towards 4. Yes. Now
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. Very nice. Okay. Very good, children. 5 o'clock.
6 o'clock.
Yes. Yes. When 6 o'clock, na? When 6 o'clock, at that time, these two hands in a straight line. Okay. The short hand and the long hand, it is in the straight line only. So at that time, you have to say 6 o'clock. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
7 o'clock.
yes, well done. Yes, now you are very smart children. 7 o'clock.
8
Yes,
o'clock. 8
8
o'clock.
o'clock. Yes, yes. Very good, very good.
9 o'clock.
Yes, it's 9 o'clock. Now here you can see the shape like it's a triangle. Okay, so this one is straight, and here you can see this L type shape. Okay, but L shape is there, but it is the mirror image of the L. Okay.
Okay.
Now see
10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Oh.
10 o'clock. Very nice.
11 o'clock. 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock. And finally
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. Okay, tell me what is the special about this 12 o'clock? See carefully what is the special in it. Both the hands are together. Both the hands are together. Yes. Okay, it is on one. Okay. So this is the special thing about 12, that both the hands are in same line. Yes. So we will call it as 12. Okay. So how many hours in a day? Do you know how many hours in a day?
Yes.
Yes, tell me. In one day, how many hours? 24 hours. Okay,
24
how many hours? 24 hours. Okay, so this hands rotate 2 times in a day. Okay, these hands rotate 2 times in a day. Okay, the rotation in a circle shape, it goes 2 times because 12 in the noon and 12 at night. Okay. Now look at this clock, and now I will not help you. You have to give me the answer. Tell me the answer.
11 o'clock. 11 o'clock.
Yes, well done. Good. 11 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
No.
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. Okay, no problem. Observe the clock carefully. Okay, if you will in a hurry, then your answer will be wrong. So look, observe, and then tell me the answer. 1 o'clock. Naman, correct. Rehan, correct. Yes.
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Excellent, excellent, bacha. 6 o'clock. Okay, so you enjoyed learning the clock?
Yes.
Do you enjoy?
Teacher.
Yes,
Yes.
very nice. Okay,
So
so what
very
is the use of the clock? What is the use of the clock?
Time.
Time. It shows us time. Okay, According to this time, we can manage our timetable, we can arrange our schedules. Okay, your father can arrange meetings, he goes to office. Okay, so we all have to follow the time. Okay, because time
What
is money.
time?
You know, time is money. So we have
Very
to,
important time.
very important time. Very good. Time is very important. So don't waste the time. Okay, so I'm showing you one clock. Okay, so this is the clock that I have made it. Okay,
Wow,
so y-
nice.
nice. Thank you. So if you want to make you want to make this type of clock, yes. So for that, what you have to do, it is very easy.
O'clock.
Yes, yes. Okay, 6 o'clock. Very good. Okay, so I will ask you some questions from this also. Okay, so here it is. Wait, let me arrange
8
first.
o'clock. 4 o'clock. 8 o'clock.
No, look here.
11 o'clock.
11 o'clock. Now,
8 o'clock. 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. Very good. So if you want and you want to play with this clock, first you have to take a circle. It is very easy. And this is your activity you have to do with your own at home. Okay, now only the cutting. You have to take your mother's help while cutting this. You have to take your parents' help to cut out this shape. Okay, and then you have to arrange the numbers. Okay, while arranging the number, you will write here 12 and 6 you will write over here. Okay, and 3 you will write on this left side of mine, and you will write 9 here. Okay, after that you have to write 1, 2, and this all number you have to arrange. Okay, and this five line in between these two numbers you have to do just small lines over here, and then you have to make this type of 3 hands. Okay, and if you want to make more decorative, you can cut out this type of shape and you can stick it. Okay, so this is the way you can play with your clock, and you can ask to your friends that what is the time in my clock. Yes, so you have this type of plain cardboard or cardboard sheet you have, then you can make also in square shape. Okay, you can use this type of cardboard, and any shape you can make any shape. Okay, as I told you, many shapes clocks are there. No, there are so many shapes of the clock. Okay, so you have to make. Okay, okay, I forgot to tell you about this alarm clock. Okay, see, this is the nice small clock. Then this clock we keep aside of our bed. Okay, and in this clock we can set the alarm. Okay, here see the black buttons are there. Okay, this alarm clock is not working because there is no cell. Okay, with the help of the cell, this clock is this clock works with the help of the cell. Okay, so when we set the time in this, then it rings and then we get up. Okay, understood all about the clock? Yes. So what is your today's homework?
Clock.
Clock. You have to make this nice. Okay, this is a little big, but you want to make it a small, you can make it. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, do you like lesson?
Yes. I like
Okay,
it.
so
That means
yes, yes, okay, very nice. So every day do attend the class, online class, attend every day, and don't waste the time. Okay, be on time, regular. Okay, See you. Bye, everyone.